Have you come across that when you use your Microsoft Excel, you realize that there are so many things that you wish to do, but you're not sure how? And you are taking too long to complete a simple task, a simple report that you need to prepare. You may take about a few weeks, few days, or maybe one entire day that you have to work through the midnight. Well, I have designed a course that will help you to do all this report um, within what? Maybe hours, minutes, or even seconds. Hi, my name is Kelvin Ng. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office expert. What I do is that I have been teaching for more than 20 years, and this is what I come up with. I designed this course so that it will be able to help a lot of people out there to create their report much more confidently and make sure that they use the best practice among all the available tools that is in Microsoft Excel. So my job is to make sure that you are confident using your Microsoft Excel after this. The course comprises of 6 different sessions. They are all together 6 sessions of 2 hours, which means you will have a total of 12 hours lesson with me. You're going to do all the assignment. You're going to do all the tasks given. And at the last day of the class, I will release the final assessment. So once you finish the assessment and you uploaded it into our material repository, then I will grade it. From there, if you meet all the necessary criteria that is inside this course, you will be called certified Microsoft Excel practitioner. All right, so waste no time, join me and learn together. Click the link, register now. So I'll see you really soon. Thank you.